Buttered chocolate crumb topped with ice cream, peanut butter, and salted peanuts, drizzled with a magical chocolate shell. This is the summertime dessert you have been dreaming of. Quick and easy ice cream cake with chocolate sauce. This recipe for an ice cream cake gets a 5-star rating for good reason. It is easy to make. It all comes together pretty quick. You'll be able to make it days in advance if you'd like. It has a scrumptious chocolate topping, and then finally, everyone just adores it. Let me show you how to make it. You're gonna need 1.5 liters of your favorite ice cream. Place it out on the counter to soften about 5 minutes before you begin. Today we're using a vanilla mocha ice cream ribboned with chocolate. It also has crushed peanut butter cups in it. We're going for a chocolate peanut vibe. Let's start with the base for the cake. Into a small bowl, spill 1¼ cups of chocolate cookie crumbs, then add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir to combine thoroughly. Pour the buttered crumb into an 8-inch springform pan and press it down in an even layer. I find using a flat-bottomed measure works well for this step. Next, trim a run of parchment paper, add it to the inside of the pan as a liner. The parchment paper liner will help make the serving of this cake extra easy. Next up, we're doing a quick nut chop. You're gonna need 1 cup of salted peanuts for the recipe. Reserve a 1/4 cup to be used as a garnish. The remaining peanuts, roughly chop them. Now the filling for our ice cream cake, we have ice cream, we have chopped peanuts. We're also gonna add peanut butter. Check out how easy this is to assemble. Add a layer of scoops of ice cream into the pan, then add drops of peanut butter. Then a generous sprinkle of the chopped peanuts, smooth it out, add more peanut butter. Then add the remaining ice cream from the tub, then a final sprinkle of the chopped peanuts. We're gonna cover with wrap and transfer to the freezer. For about 4 hours, ideally overnight, you want to make sure your ice cream cake is completely set and frozen before you serve. Talking about serving this cake, about an hour before you intend to serve, I want you to do something magical. I want to show you how to make a 2-ingredient magic chocolate shell. An inch of simmering water in a pan, place a stainless bowl onto the pan, hello double boiler, add 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate plus 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir to melt, take it off the heat, let it cool for about an hour. And here's how easy this cake is to serve. Bring the ice cream cake from the freezer, place it onto a flat plate, pop the spring, lift away the circular side, peel away the parchment paper. Now, using a warmed knife, you're cutting down. Make sure to go through the chocolate crumb base, lift, then over to dessert plates. Let's do a drizzle of that still warm magic chocolate shell. Add a sprinkle of the reserved whole salted peanuts. So we have a frozen ice cream cake that has just been hit with a hot chocolate sauce, right? Check it out. As the chocolate sauce clings to the ice cream before your eyes, it's magic. It hardens to a glorious shell. And this is what's gonna happen when you make this at home. As you and your guests go to eat this cake, you're gonna crack the shell and then you can dig into the ice cream. Oh, there's peanut butter in there and chocolatey ribbons and peanut bits. It is amazing and so easy peasy to make. You ready to make it? Head to Weekend at the Cottage for the full recipe when you're visiting our website. Please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, take a photograph of all the delicious desserts you're making. Simply post those pics on your favorite socials using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage when you do on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Quick and easy ice cream cake with chocolate sauce. Ooh, chocolate shell cracked. Perfection right there.